My name is Julie, and the goal is to create a Python program using an API to show weather information for a location, to be able to understand how to parse a JSON file, to get specific information, and to create the interface to display the information. For a problem, I had random errors related to misspellings and basically syntax errors. So once I found those, I could, I read the error codes and were able to fix some of those. One of the challenges was to make the date line show up as the appropriate weekday, which was solved by searching online for a solution. And then also there was another challenge to remove the decimal from the temperature and to include the degree with Fahrenheit. Also, same solution, searching the internet. In the future, I would add more font colors, font weight, background colors, just basically make it look better. And this is how my program came out. I did the pink background instead of the white that we had. Obviously, this is a temperature of hell.
I didn't see that.
So, this is part of my code. Basically, this was my solution for changing the weekday. The capital A here made it so it changed it to the full weekday. If I had done a lowercase a, it would have only shown the abbreviated weekday. And basically, I just broke the date down into a year, month, and day for that part. And then the second line shows how I changed the temperature from a float or double, whatever it was, to an integer, to a string, and then added the rest of the text in. And then the last line shows basically how the temperature was